The invention of the electric light bulb is often credited to Thomas Edison, who developed a commercially viable incandescent light bulb in 1879. However, there were other inventors working on similar technology at the time, including Joseph Swan in England and Hiram Maxim in the United States. These inventors independently developed versions of the light bulb using different materials and methods, but Edison's design was the first to be patented and widely marketed. Edison's design used a carbon filament and a glass bulb, which was improved over time by other inventors. Thomas Edison's invention of the electric light bulb was the result of many years of experimentation and testing. He began working on a practical incandescent light in 1878, and by October 1879, he had developed a bulb that could burn for over 13 hours. This bulb used a carbon filament, which was enclosed in a glass bulb that was evacuated of air to reduce combustion and improve efficiency. However, the bulb was not yet commercially viable as the carbon filament was quickly consumed by the heat and the bulb failed after a short time. Edison continued to experiment with different materials for the filament and eventually settled on a thin strip of bamboo, which proved to be an excellent filament material. On October 21, 1879, Edison received a patent for his invention, and the first commercial power station was opened in New York City in 1882. Edison's invention of the electric light bulb was a major breakthrough in technology, and it changed the way people lived and worked. It allowed for the creation of a more efficient and reliable source of light, which made it possible for people to work and carry out activities at night. The invention of the electric light bulb led to the development of a wide range of other electrical devices, including the electric motor, the telephone, and the telegraph. The invention of the electric light bulb not only revolutionized the way we live and work but also had a significant impact on the economy. The ability to light homes, streets, and buildings at night spurred urbanization and led to the growth of cities. It also led to the creation of new jobs in the electricity generation and distribution industry. The increased use of electricity led to the development of power stations, power lines, and electrical equipment, which created jobs in manufacturing, construction, and maintenance. The electric light bulb also had a significant impact on the entertainment industry. Theaters, cinemas, and other venues could now be open at night, leading to the growth of the entertainment industry. This in turn led to the creation of new jobs in the entertainment industry, such as stage lighting, sound recording, and film production. The invention of the electric light bulb also had a significant impact on education. Schools and universities could now be open at night, leading to the growth of the education industry and creating new jobs in teaching and research. Overall, the invention of the electric light bulb was a major technological breakthrough that had a profound impact on society and economy. It led to the creation of new industries, jobs, and changed the way people lived and worked. While Thomas Edison is often credited with inventing the electric light bulb, it was the result of contributions from many inventors. Other inventors such as Joseph Swan and Hiram Maxim also independently developed versions of the light bulb using different materials and methods. Swan was the first one to demonstrate a successful incandescent light bulb in 1878, which had a filament made of carbonized paper. He also developed a method of vacuum sealing the bulb to prevent the filament from burning out quickly. Hiram Maxim, on the other hand, developed a bulb that used a platinum filament and a vacuum to improve the bulb's efficiency and longevity. However, Edison's design was the first to be patented and widely marketed, and his company, the Edison Electric Light Company, became the dominant player in the industry. Additionally, the incandescent light bulb, while it was a major step forward in technology, it has some limitations in terms of energy efficiency. Today, incandescent bulbs have been largely replaced by more energy-efficient alternatives such as LED, CFL, and other type of bulbs which are more efficient and longer lasting. Another important development related to the invention of the electric light bulb is the creation of the first electric power grid. The first power station opened by Thomas Edison in New York City in 1882, supplied electricity to a small area around the station. However, as demand for electricity grew, it became clear that a more efficient way of distributing electricity was needed. The first electric power grid was created in 1891 in Buffalo, New York, to distribute electricity from the Niagara Falls hydroelectric power plant to the city. This power grid used high-voltage transmission lines to transmit electricity over long distances, making it possible to distribute electricity to a larger area. The development of the electric power grid made it possible for electricity to be distributed to homes, businesses, and industries, allowing for the widespread use of electric lights, appliances, and other devices. The power grid also allowed for the creation of a centralized system of electricity generation, which made it possible for utilities to generate electricity at large power plants and distribute it to customers. The invention of the electric light bulb and the creation of the electric power grid were two major technological breakthroughs that had a significant impact on the world. They changed the way we live and work and led to the creation of new industries and jobs. They also helped to improve the standard of living, making it possible for people to live and work in ways that were previously not possible.